While I was driving right now, this is what I got.
Left low beam malfunction?
Coolant level low. So let's go check out the damage.
All in the night, I hear them outside. Calling for me, yeah. Calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Yeah. Back out, sex. I take no fear when you lack out.
So yeah, so the radiator is still leaking. So obviously that JB Weld fix did not work. Maybe it only works for the actual tank, but maybe
Guys, it does work. Dito just put it on wrong.
Maybe
I'm looking at it.
Maybe it's only for the tank and not the actual hoses. So the next step, I think what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to just get a new radiator.
Why don't you have a mask?
Whether
like everybody else?
get a mask real quick. So
This dude, like everybody else that I was calling dumb.
well, I was talking to you guys, so that's why I forgot it. I don't know if I'm gonna get a used one or if I'm gonna get a new one, because I could go down to Copart and, you know, just take off a radiator from a used E90 and see if that works. I might look into that. In the meantime, JB Weld let me down, so now I have to get a radiator, used or new. I don't know yet. So I thought I'd just give you guys an update on that. So I'll catch you later. This is like the 25th time I've had to refill this E90 with distilled water. I thought the JB Weld was gonna fix it, but I guess not.
Look, you can see it leaking. You can see it leaking. Look right there. Look under there. You can see the water moving.
Can you guys see it?
They're not gonna be able to see it.
You guys dare me to touch it? Don't dare Max to do anything, he does it. It's all cleaned up, guys. It's looking good, except that. So, a new radiator isn't gonna be too hard to install. I mean, it's gonna be difficult because we have to take off the bumper. But once we have the bumper off,
We might as well do the M4 bumper swap while we have it
these
off.
bolts right here, take off. I already know this engine bay like the back of my head, so.
Right. Just don't give them a V6.
Get back to you guys later. All right, guys. So we are now at Chick-fil-A. After
Chick-fil-A.
after going to Target and filling with distilled water, we spent about an hour there because
6 hours at least. At least, my guy. We left at 3.
I dropped the cap in the engine bay, and so it took us about an hour to get
This
the cap
dude-
out of the engine bay.
This dude put the cap inside the engine. I don't know how he did it. He opened the exhaust manifold, stuck it in, closed the engine. Like, how?
But it's out now, but we wasted an hour. So we're gonna grab something to eat right now, and then I'm gonna head down to a friend's house, and we're going to go take some shots with my car and his car. You've seen this car before in the past. It's the 370. The one that I said if we got to 15 likes, we do a drag race, and that video did get to 15 likes. So what?
Oh man, that's crazy.
Actually, I
15?
think it's at 16 likes right
Oh
now.
my gosh, 16.
So in the future, near future, we're gonna be heading down to Wednesday night drags, and we're gonna be putting up the E90 against the 370.
Okay, E90. I'm sorry, but E90 is gonna win, guys. There's no talk about it. It's gonna win.
So for the meantime, right now, we're gonna go take pictures, and I'll catch you guys later. Dang, this is the wrap, guys. Dude, this looks sick. Dang. He went to the same guy that Nor went to.
I don't want that life, yeah. Just trying to support my life, yeah. I'm flexing up with
And then he blacked out the rear tail lights too, and he blacked out the badge. No, look. It looks like paint, guys. No joke. Yeah, it's fine. This is what we're gonna be competing with. Who's gonna win at the track? The E90 or the 370? All right, guys, we are back at the shop here with the E90.
Shop.
I mean the parking garage. We are back at the parking garage. Today is actually going to be...
I'm pretty sure this is just a lot.
We are back with the E90 though, that is for sure. And today is going to be an easy modification. well, it's actually a fix, not really a mod. We're gonna be replacing the front low beams, the driver's side with young tinted. The driver's side low beam is out right now, so I went ahead and picked up these JDM headlights, as you can see.
European car.
Right here, Tokyo, Japan. It even says resorting to racing. So JDM racing headlights are going to be installed in the E90 today.
Okay, wait. Headlights that are for racing. That's
guaranteed 3 extra horsepower. This is probably going to be one of the easiest things you can do to your E90. It's probably one of the easiest things we've done to it so far. This shouldn't take long, probably like an hour. So we're gonna show you right now. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna turn your wheel inwards so you can access this panel in here. And then with the flathead screwdriver, you're gonna take off that panel. So I'm gonna do that right now.
I'm feeling so good. Everybody wants to touch me. It's a hold it, yeah. Hold you back now. Flex up, everybody.
Again, don't expect a big increase in horsepower. Maybe like just 2 or 3, but not like 10. All right, guys, so I just took off the passenger headlight right now. This one's actually good. It's the driver's side that's out, but it comes with a pack of 2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace both sides. But basically, there was a clip that holds it in. You just push it in and then put it to the side, and it comes out. So let me go ahead and put in the new bulb right now.
But you guys don't need to know that since it is not a how-to channel.
You're gonna need gloves because if you touch the actual bulb with your hands, the oils will get on the bulb, and once the bulb heats up, it'll cause it to go up prematurely.
And you were there with me when I bought them.
You don't need your gloves right now.
You need your gloves, guys, all times. Just kidding. You know, you don't really need gloves if I'm being honest.
They really pack these. In Japan, they know how to pack their bulbs. I'm just gonna put on one glove because I know how to handle it with one hand, but if you guys are beginning, you might need.
Oh my gosh, who does this guy think he is?
My wrist, but I'm not ready for it. No, Rolex on my hand, but I'm not ready for it. Drive a Ferrari, we don't go and return it. I don't want these bands, I just want to afford it.
This is only gonna be like 10% of what we're doing in this video. We're like introduce the Radiator.
Hi, this is Radiator. We're gonna be spray painting. Look, come look, real quick, just super quick. Look right here. So through here we put E90 and then hashtag E90 and then gang, and then down here we'll put like your like something down here, like our saying. What is it?
Stay happy.
No. We'll put like Cop Tuning or something that like ECS tuning. We'll put ECS tuning down here and hashtag E90 gang across here. That'd be super sick. So the actual radiator color is gonna be red.
Guys, this is what a burnt bulb looks like. I'm gonna put the burnt one next to the regular one. All right, so on the one that's burnt out, we get to focus. You can see that the left stem is like black, and then on the new one, the stem is like it's not burnt. But on the burnt out one, you can tell that the left stem is burnt. If I can stop shaking. So let's go ahead and put that in.
Can I throw it at the wall now? Can I throw it at a rock? You know your fog light on that side is filled with water?
Oh, guys, would you rather us spend, not us, would you rather me spend
Us.
Would you rather me spend $1,200 on a 335 or spend $1,200 on modifications for the 328?
Be aware. He will never spend that much on this car. Not in the near future, not ever. So it's better to get the car.
So you let me know. What do you think is the smartest decision? To
Get
put
a 335.
To put $1,200 into this, or to just spend?
You're never gonna put $1,200 into this. That's the
thing.
thing.
Keep in mind, for $200 we can get a tune, a body kit.
But it's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen.
Lots of stuff.
It's never gonna happen.
Lots
Gito.
of stuff can be happen for $1,200.
Yes, Gito, we could put a Ferrari engine in this thing,
No,
but you wouldn't do it. Actually, we could LS swap it with $1,200.
Exactly. See, so like.
But you would never do it.
Well, if someone gave me an LS,
you have to buy it for $1,200.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take you with me as we start it.
I'm gonna take you with me. Come with me as we start the car.
Bam! No more left bulb malfunction. I can tell it's from Japan. Max said he can tell they're from Japan.
It's not a good thing.
Yeah, they look good. Look at that. Bam. Great. What do you mean? They're bulbs. All right, guys. So, like I said, that was super quick and easy. That was just one of the annoying things that was going on with it. the bulb has been out for a while, so I'm glad we finally got that fixed. One less thing on the dash now. So the next time I see you guys, we're gonna be checking out the 335. I'm gonna bring my laptop and then a battery so we can see if it starts or not. So the next time I see you, we'll be over there. So I'll catch you guys later.
All of the night I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah. Calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Yeah. Back out, sex. I take no